In this question, we again have another look at creating a cluster role, service account, and cluster role binding. Creating these seems quite hard, but it's actually fairly easy as long as you practice creating these a few times. Let's first create a green cluster role. Verb is create. And resource is deployments. And that's created. And let's now create the service account. And that's also done. We now create the role binding. And we connect it to the service account. That's done. Let's now verify them all. And here is the cluster role. And the service account. And the role binding is also there. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.